Now, this is how you can blur the background in a Google Meet on your Android. Let me show you how it works. And if you are first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss another quick tutorials and tips like this one. But anyways, you open up the Google Meet app as usual, right? And you want to get inside of the actual meet, right, or into the video call. So you might join through a link or call someone directly, whatever. But once you are inside of the actual call, what you have to do is just to tap on your little viewfinder, right? So you have the front camera active like so, and you can tap on the like yourself, and also like on the button with the like there's a little plus icon with the person on it, whatever that icon is. Just click on it and it's going to let you change the different modes, right? So you can apply filters or change the background. But I want you to scroll down a little bit, and there is the blur and uploads, and you have basically two ways to blur the background. One is a little bit more prominent than the other, right? So it depends on how strong you want it to be. So you can pick between these two options, right? So it just works very well. You just select it like so, and yeah, you can just turn it on this way. But you can also just upload your own custom background, which might be blurry, right? Or it might be whatever. So if you want to, you can as well just come up with your own custom way it's gonna look. So that might be even more useful. So that is how you can find it. I really appreciate your feedback in the comments. So let me know if you liked the video, if you found it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.